Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Shein using your Android device. First of all, you need to go ahead and go to the Play Store and download the Shein app. Once it's downloaded, open the Shein which is in your phone, and then it will say you to log in. Click on the sign in which is in the bottom. Now you can go ahead and sign up with Google. Sign up with any of your Google account and then it will lead you to this page. You have now successfully signed up for Shein. If you go to your profile, press on the settings and click on your profile, you can see that you can see your profile and share your profile with others. This is how you sign up in Shein. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.